How to hide your Amazon orders. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to App Hacks. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can hide your orders. Now before we start, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let us begin. First, you will need to head over to your Amazon. So simply go to amazon.com and make sure that you are signed in into your account. After you've signed in into your account, what you'll need to do is you'll need to go to returns and orders here, tap on it, and you'll see the list of your orders. Now, I don't have any recent orders, but if you do, you will get the list here. Now, under each orders, on the left hand side bottom of the order rectangle that the order is in, you will see an option called archive orders. All you need to do is tap on archive orders and it will just get removed from your list of orders. Now you can use this to hide your orders from your kids, your family, if you don't want them to find out. Now they will not find it here, but if you want to still check out your orders that you have archived, what you'll need to do is you'll need to head over to your account here, tap on it, and you'll see account option. Tap on account, and after you tap on account and you're in this page, if you scroll down for a bit, you should see the archived options. So tap on archived orders option, and here you will find the list of all the orders that you have hidden or you have archived. And yeah, that is how you do it, guys. And that is all for the video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.